About to put the grill on. I don't know why airbag light, no check engine light. It'll be running